Many homeowners searching for an affordable roof repair estimate in Logan are simply trying to understand what realistic roofing costs may look like before moving forward with repairs or replacement work. Some homeowners only need smaller repairs after seasonal weather damage, while others may be dealing with aging roofing materials, ongoing leaks, or long-term wear caused by northern Utah's snow and temperature changes. That's why many Logan homeowners begin by comparing roofing estimates to better understand their options before larger roofing problems develop. Affordable roof repair does not always mean choosing the lowest price available. Now, for many homeowners, affordability means finding roofing work that feels dependable, reasonably priced, and appropriate for the condition of the home itself. Roof repair pricing in Logan can vary depending on roof size, roofing materials, weather exposure, installation complexity, and the amount of damage involved. Some roofing issues can be repaired relatively quickly, while others may require more extensive replacement work because of long-term moisture damage or aging roofing systems. Now, many local homeowners appreciate roofing companies that explain repair options clearly and provide realistic estimates without making the process feel overly complicated. Having clearer information about roofing costs, repair timelines, and replacement possibilities can make the decision process much easier for homeowners trying to plan financially. Homes throughout Logan, Smithfield, Hyde Park, Providence, Hiram, North Logan, and surrounding Cache Valley communities can all experience different roofing conditions depending on roof age, snow exposure, sun exposure, and seasonal weather patterns. Some homeowners researching roofing quotes are planning ahead before visible leaks begin. Others are actively searching for affordable roof repair after noticing water damage, missing shingles, attic moisture, or signs of roof wear following storms and winter weather. Whether someone needs roof leak repair, replacement estimates, or affordable roofing quotes in Logan, having straightforward local information can help homeowners make more confident decisions about protecting the long-term condition of their home. We are here to help with any roofing questions you may have. Call us now, 435-999-5004.